Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of dx divided by x times square root of x plus 1. Okay, to solve this integral, I first define square root of x plus 1 as u. Therefore, x plus 1 will be equal to u2. Therefore, x will be equal to u2 minus 1. Okay, so from this equation, you can conclude that dx will be equal to 2u du. All you need to do at this stage is to substitute these two expressions into this integral. Okay, therefore you can rewrite this integral as, instead of dx, I write 2u du. Okay, and instead of x, you have calculated the value of the x here, that is equal to u2 minus 1 times square root of x plus 1, and instead of square root of x plus 1, I can simply write u here. Okay, and so this u is out by this one, 2 is constant here, so I can take it out of the integral. This will be equal to integral of integral of du divided by u2 minus 1. Okay, so from table of integral, you know that the integral of dx divided by x2 minus a2 is equal to 1 divided by 2a times ln x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. Okay, that's from table of integral. Okay, so you can use this formula to solve this integral. Here, if you compare this integral with this one, you can easily see that the value of a here is equal to 1. Okay, therefore this integral will be equal to 2 times, this 2 is the constant value here, times 1 divided by 2a, that is 1 divided by 2 times 1, ln u minus a here is equal to 1 divided by u plus a, okay, plus c, which is the constant of the integral. So all you need to do here is to basically substitute the value of u by the definition of u, which was square root of x plus 1. Okay, so therefore this one will be equal to, this 2 is out by this one, that one will be equal to ln, instead of u I write square root of x plus 1 minus 1 divided by square root of x plus 1 plus 1, okay, plus c, which is the constant of the integral. And that is the solution to our integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe into this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.